Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.